All right, Pamela, chances are you're paying more for car insurance these days. In fact, on average, 18% more.
Yeah, even as inflation cools, car insurance prices remain high because of more crashes, increased litigation, and higher repair costs. The good news, our Jason Colthorpe has the 5 ways Consumer Reports suggests could be ways to save.
Hey, well, it is Michigan, right? We have some of the highest rates in the country when it comes to auto insurance. Let's try and bring them down for you.
No one wants to pay more than they have to, especially for something necessary but not all that fun. Here are 5 ways to try and slash your premiums. Number 5, increase your deductible. Consider a $1,000 deductible to save on your annual premium. But remember, you're increasing your potential out-of-pocket repair costs after a crash. So make sure you have access to that money just in case. Or use the savings to build an emergency fund. Number 4, it might be time to drop collision and comprehensive insurance. As your car's years and miles pile up, its value decreases. That lowered value might not justify the expense of paying for collision and comprehensive coverage.
As a general rule, when the premium is more than 10% of the car's value, it's time to consider dropping collision and maybe comprehensive coverage too.
Number 3, take a defensive driving course. Some insurance companies let you take a safe driving course to get a discount. It only takes a few hours, tends to cost around $25, and the savings can add up. Number 2, shop around, then bundle. You may be able to save hundreds a year by combining your home and auto policies. Heard that before? Finally, consider signing up for driver monitoring. You can save up to $800 with some insurance companies if you allow them to track your driving habits with a smartphone app or a device that plugs into your car's diagnostic port, so long as you prove to be a safer driver when you do it. Remember, you're giving up some privacy in that, in much the same way you do when you're using certain smartphone apps in exchange for a potential discount.
Now, one more thing to consider. If you are one of those folks who drives less than 10,000 miles a year, consider that insurance companies often factor in mileage when they set the rates. So if you're under that threshold, that could save you $100 a year. Now, coming up on the morning show tomorrow, we're going to dive into pet insurance because a lot of people unhappy with that coverage. We're going to talk about ways that money you're spending on pet insurance might be better spent. I'm Jason Colthorpe. Back to you.
Anyone ask the pets? We'll see. We'll find out.
Don't cut my insurance.